Good afternoon and welcome to Nordic Market News. It's Friday the 2nd of February and we are recording this show in Stockholm at the news agency Direkt studio on behalf of Infront Finance. Let's look at the market indices as of 10 o'clock today. The Nordic index OMXN 40 lost 2.4% this week, lowering the year-to-date number to plus 1.2%. Most Nordic countries have lost ground the past week and most have lost about 2%, with two notable exceptions. The OMXC20 in Copenhagen, which has been significantly weaker and was down more than 5% for the week overall. On the positive side, the OMXH25 in Helsinki was up more than 2%. Brent crude oil futures are down for the week, however only marginally at minus 0.3%. In Sweden, media company MTG rose sharply on Thursday after a large structural deal in which the company sells its business to Danish telecom provider TDC. The deal is worth almost 20 billion krona. Remaining with MTG is MTGX, which is focused on the growing segment of e-sport. Housing developer JM climbed steeply after having reported stronger than expected margins in all of its units on Thursday. Also, clothing giant H&M came under new pressure following the company's latest report. The company took the markets by surprise with a concealed issue of the stock as well as a lowered target regarding the expansion of the new stores. ERICSSON took the market by surprise once more with a substantial disappointment regarding the result for the past quarter. The fact that the dividend was left unchanged and that the company expects better results going forward did not impress investors. Car safety company AutoLiv gave investors a positive surprise with their latest report. Sales as well as the underlying operating profit and the forecast for 2018 were all stronger than expected. In Norway, STATOIL gained on Thursday after Goldman Sachs, SEB Equity Research and Carnegie all raised their respective target prices for the Norwegian oil giant to 210, 200 and 205 Norwegian krona. The raises were mainly due to higher forecasts for the oil price moving forward. Also, seafood stock had a rough start to the trading week. New numbers from Norwegian Trade Association Sjømat Norge showed an increase by 7% at the turn of the year, but was also 13,000 tonne less than the number for November 2017. Novo Nordisk fell sharply on Thursday after reporting lower than expected sales and operating profit for the fourth quarter. The weaker dollar may be one explanation for the weaker result. Phone operator TDC buys the Nordic TV business from Swedish MTG for more than 15 billion Danish krona, which caused TDC to fall sharply in Copenhagen. TDC also showed a lower operating result for the past quarter. In Finland, Nokia had a strong week after revealing that the company will deliver a new 5G chip after reports that US President Donald Trump has plans for nationalizing the American telephone network. And lastly, Finnish industrial company OUTOKUMPU lost 15% of its value on Wednesday after a fourth quarter report that was far worse than expected. That's all for today. Have a great weekend and see you again next Friday.